All right, Steve. Finally got that spare crankshaft that I found. You can't find these aftermarket. And this one crankshaft came out of one special saw built by Stihl. And you won't find another crankshaft and a saw like this in anywhere. The famous 084 crankshaft. Look at that hollow rod. That's one saw that was built for performance and power. I have one I'm restoring, and I found this crankshaft on eBay for a good price, so I picked it up in case I might need it for a spare. In excellent shape. The crankshaft has no slack in it, tight.